So 17th question is integral of x divided by e power x square. Logic is simple. I told you, generally when you have these exponential functions having the power anything other than x, you will substitute that as t. But here, listen to the logic. Here you have e power x square. So x square is a second degree polynomial. The numerator is a first degree polynomial. So obviously we need to substitute x square as t. This implies 2x times dx is equal to dt. So x dx is equal to, so x dx will be equal to dt divided by 2. So x dx is dt by 2 in the numerator. The denominator is e power, in the place of x square I can write it as t. So it will become half of integral of this e power t, sorry 1 by e power t is basically e power minus t times dt. So here the answer would be half of, see listen to this carefully, the integral of exponential function is the exponential function itself. So e power, whatever is there, write it. So e power minus t, the whole divided by whatever is a coefficient of t, write that in the denominator. The coefficient of t in this case is minus 1. So you need to put that minus 1 in the denominator. So the final answer will be minus half of e power minus t plus c, or this can also be written as minus 1 divided by 2 times e power t plus c. Both are correct. Okay. So we need to substitute back the value of t. So minus 1 divided by 2 into e power of t is x square plus c. So this would be the final answer. Minus 1 by 2 into e power x square plus c.